With digital media becoming the primary news outlet, it may seem like you have reliable news right there on your phone. But across the country and in small towns like Cobleskill, it can be a challenge to find coverage on local issues. According to recent studies, communities still have an operating newspaper. That remaining outlet may be a ghost paper, with no local reporters and no meaningful coverage of local life. Cobleskill Herald newspaper owner Matthew Evitable says one major issue is a simple matter of age.
Young people don't necessarily read newspapers, and we have some younger people who buy the digital version of the paper, which is great, but generally speaking, almost all of our audience is 55 and up.
News deserts are a national issue, and Evitable says our region is no different.
A number of local papers are closing and have been closing.
Evitable says a key to survival is the move towards digital.
Right now, about a third of our subscriptions are digital. It's actually a little bit more now. When I started, it was about a sixth, so it's grown a lot.
Research also states local news coverage is correlated with higher levels of civic engagement and voter turnout, better economic outcomes for residents, and it can be a bulwark against misinformation. Local newspaper editor David Evitable says news apps are becoming the primary medium.
I've seen both dailies and weeklies struggle because I think they made the mistake of trying to beat the internet at its own game and trying to keep with state and national news instead of concentrating on the local news.
If you're looking for local news outlets, there are options. Check in with your town's Facebook page and local websites. I'm Lakeisha Wright.